Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to board to your Discord server mobile. So simply open your Discord apps, open your server, click on to arrow option. So look here, press on setting option, but not showing it to board option. So don't upset, I'm just provide full guide. Open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search here to discord.com. Okay, then you get this option, tap on three dot, make sure to turn on desktop site. I'm already enabled desktop site. Press on open Discord in your browser. Okay, now successfully open Discord, my desktop mode, select my server. Okay, click on this arrow option and press on app director. Then I'm get this option. Okay, and I'm get search option. Okay, and go to search option, search it to Greenbot, go option, then you get this option, select and press on add, select server, click on to continue, press on, and that's it.